Say and tell, very confusing verbs, but I'll let Tom Cruise tell you that.
Tell me you like my hat.
You're not wearing a hat.
Say it. Say you like my hat.
You're not wearing a hat.
Say it. Why can't you say it, Shannon? Why can't you say you like my hat? Why can't you say you like my suit? I've earned this.
Whew, intense. I actually have a guilty admission to make. I know a lot of the words to this movie far and away off by heart. I know it's very sad. But come here, if you are looking to improve your Irish accent by listening to this movie or by watching this movie, please don't, because the accents are terrible. Actually, Tom Cruise's accent is terrible in it. Nicole Kidman's is not so bad. We don't speak like that. We didn't speak like that in the past. So for Irish accent, just listen to me. So let's look at the grammar rules in more detail. Tom Cruise conveniently demonstrates the major difference between say and tell. Can you spot it?
Tell me you like my hat. Say you like my hat.
You're not wearing a hat.
Yes, tell is always followed directly by a person or the object pronoun. Now, in this sentence, it's me, but it could also be you, him, her, them, or us. Conversely, say can never be followed by the object pronoun. In this sentence, say you like my hat. It's not say me you like my hat. So the rules are you tell someone something or you say something to someone. Here are some more examples. You may tell me I'm a dreamer is the same thing as you may say I'm a dreamer. Actually, do you know what song those lyrics come from? You can tell me in the comments below. What did you say to him? Or what did you tell him? Tell Jessica I said hi. Say hi to Jessica for me. Did he tell you what the movie was about? Did he say what the movie was about? He told me that my dog was cute. He said my dog was cute. So here I have that in brackets because it's optional. We don't need to use that in this sentence. So as you can see, we can use say or tell in many circumstances. But remember, tell always has a person directly after it. Another big difference between say and tell is that when we're giving orders or giving advice, we only use the verb tell, we don't use say. For example, I told him to be quiet, not I said to be quiet. They told us to not come back, not they said to not come back. My mother is always telling me to tidy my room, not my mother is always saying to tidy my room. Tell him to forget about his ex-girlfriend, not say to him to forget about his ex-girlfriend. Okay, the third rule is that you cannot put to after tell. Never, never, never. So you cannot say Paul told to me that he was coming to the party. You could say Paul told me he was coming to the party with no to. On the other hand, we can use to with the verb say. Paul said to me he was coming to the party. The fourth rule involves both say and tell. In fact, when we are using reported questions, we cannot use neither say nor tell. We have to use the verb ask. For example, do you want to come to dinner tonight? The indirect speech would be, Paul asked me if I wanted to come to dinner tonight. It's not Paul told me or Paul said to me. It has to be ask for reported questions. Another example, do you realize that we can go to the beach now confinement is over? Sharon asked me if I realized we can go to the beach now confinement is over. Okay, just to throw a spanner in the works, I'm going to give you a fifth rule that we only use with tell and not say. We have some phrases that are tell specific, such as to tell the truth, to tell a lie, to tell the time, to tell the future, and to tell a story. We do not use say in any of these phrases. Okay, let's recap the 5 rules very quickly. We tell somebody something. For example, Tim told me the train was delayed. We say something to someone. For example, Tim said the train was delayed, or Tim said to me the train was delayed. We can always use this to after say. However, we cannot use to after tell. Please tell me the truth. Yes. Please tell to me the truth. No. We cannot use tell or say in reported questions. We use the verb ask. For example, Paul asked me if I liked chocolate. Last but not least, some frequently used phrases that we only use with tell are to tell someone the truth, to tell someone a lie, to tell the time, to tell the future, and to tell a story. Okay, quiz time.
Are you ready? Ready.
The Dr. Blank, he had to exercise 3 times a week. Yes, it's said because there is no person following it. There is no object pronoun. Number 2, that's a great idea, she blank. Yes, it's she said, because again, there is no object pronoun after it. Next one, he's 9 years old and he still can't blank the time. Yes, it's one of those expressions that we use with tell. He still can't tell the time. The next one, his father told him to stop lies and to start telling the truth. Yes, it's telling lies because we tell lies and we tell the truth. Next, I blank that I would meet him on Sunday. What do you think? Yes, of course, it's said. I said I would meet him on Sunday. And the last one, do you think Macron will get re-elected? Tina, me, if Macron would get re-elected. Yes, it is asked because we cannot use tell or say with reported questions. Yeah, well done everyone, well done. Listen, if you had problems with it, put it in the comments below and tell me what your problem was. And also to show me that you have learned, put a sentence with tell and a sentence with say in the comments so that I know that you have learned from this lesson. Great to see you all back here again, and we will see you next week for a brand new lesson. Thanks, bye-bye, have a great week. Oh, P.S. The transcript of this lesson is in the description below.